Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5, and on this Mazda CX-5 we're going to go over how you'd replace your turn indicator light on the back. So it's the second one in on the light housing, and so to start with, to be able to replace that turn indicator light, you would pop the hatch. Once we pop the hatch, there's a cover plate on the back that we remove, and then we can get that light replaced. So back here we have this cover that sits up in here. You just need to pop the tabs. They have a little indent here, small screwdriver in there, push that in and be able to pop that cover off. And then we have three lights back here. We're going for the middle one, and that is for the turn indicator. And so we will turn that to a quarter turn to the left and then be able to pull that light bulb out, and then be able to pull the light bulb out of the connector. And then this light bulb here, to get a new one, this is going to be a WY21W, and we want to make sure that we get it in the natural amber color. And so you would get a new one of these and be able to insert it in the connector and snap it into place. Then line up those tabs, small and large tabs, turn that a quarter turn to the right and lock that into place, and then you can put your cover back on. And so that's how you'd replace your turn indicator light on your Mazda CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.